I have soaked this 1 tablespoon of rice in a clean water. The water you need, it should be the double the quantity of rice, you can say, or the rice, they should be soaked in a water completely. There is no direct measure that how much water you need.
Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon button so whenever I post new videos you get the notification and you watch my videos.
And I have let the rice soaked in water for around 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, what we have to do, we have to move our fingers in rice just to extract out all the nutrients they have. And now you can see when I'm rubbing rice in this way, the water is getting milky white. Now take any jar. I'm just taking this jar that I bought from Dollar Tree. Strain this water. You can see it's milky white, and that's our rice water. So there are several ways you can use this rice water. The rice water can be used for your face too, and the rice water can be used for your hair too. The rice water can also be used as simple rice water, and it can also be used as a fermented rice water. There are theories that fermented rice water is better than the rice water which is not fermented. So it's up to you. You can leave that rice water for around 12 to 24 hours and in a warm place. It should not be in a fridge, and then you can use it as a fermented rice water. But with the fermented rice water, the problem is that it has a smell, a very strong smell. So if you really want to cut down the smell, you have to add some sort of essential oil according to your skin type. So I'm going to tell you the one way you can use this rice water toner. You would need a spray bottle. I have this aloe vera gel. What I did, I took the fresh aloe vera gel and then I put a little bit drops of rose water and I grind it and make it in like a water form, because I'm putting it in a spray bottle, so it will not work if I don't do this process. You can also take the aloe vera gel available in the market, but it should be 100% aloe vera gel or 99% aloe vera gel, and there should not be anything else. The aloe vera gel I took, it's almost 1 tablespoon, not more than that. I always make small quantity of these natural ingredients. Don't make in a bulk. It will be a huge problem for you. And then I will fill rest of the bottle with this rice water. Shake it really well. And after shaking, use it. Oh, I came to know that it's not a spray. I don't know why. It should be, but it's not coming in a spray form. I really don't know why. And you can leave it on your skin. If this bottle is not working as a spray, I really don't know what's the reason. But you can obviously put it in some sort of a spray bottle which actually works as a spray bottle, not like this. And another way you can use this rice water, you need some cotton swabs, and then you can dip this directly and use it on your skin. You can use this as a toner after washing your face, or you can either use it as your eye pads, just soaked in rice water, and put it in your eyes, and then after 15 minutes you can just take them off. It will also reduce your dark circles. This is our plain rice water and this is our rice water toner. They both will work very great for your skin or for your hair. In what way you use it, all up to you. Keep this water always in a refrigerator and try to make it in a less quantity. In a refrigerator, it will last around 7 days. So, and the quantity is that much that it will actually last just for 7 days, not more than that.